no service tax is payable on free of cost units allotted to the existing society members. In case of redevelopment of societies, that is what has been held by the Mumbai Tribunal in case of ethics infra developments. This is a very interesting and favorable judgment as far as developers are concerned. Friends, all of you are aware, in case of society redevelopment, typically the societies, when they approach a developer, the developer will put across the appropriate deal in front of the society. Typically, the deal on a broader level basis may be, say, the 100 units are likely to be constructed after redeveloping that society. So the developer will say that I will allot 40 units to the existing society members on a free of cost basis. तो ये 40 यूनिट जो है मैं फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट बेसिस पे एग्जिस्टिंग सोसाइटी मेंबर्स को दूंगा एंड जो 60 यूनिट्स है वो मैं ओपन मार्केट में बेचूंगा बिकॉज जो पूरा प्रोजेक्ट का जो कॉस्ट है वो मैं रिकवर करूंगा बाय सेलिंग दिस 60 यूनिट्स एंड ऑन दिस 60 यूनिट्स टिपिकली द एप्लीकेबल indirect taxes would be discharged by the developer. Now in front of the Mumbai Tribunal the issue was what about the free of cost units, whether on those free of cost units which are allotted to the existing society members whether any service tax is payable or not. The Mumbai Tribunal in this case held that there is no service tax which would be applicable on the free of cost units which would be allotted to the existing society members. So this is a very interesting judgment. Please note, on a similar lines, the Hyderabad Tribunal in case of Vasanta Green had also held the same thing, that whenever free of cost units are allotted to the existing society members, no service tax is payable. So right now, as far as developers are concerned, there are two favorable judgments. One in case of Vasanta Green and second in case of ethics infra. So with these two judgment in the hands of the developer now, certainly they should revisit their tax position as far as redevelopments of projects are concerned.